Hi, Sarah here with our new 32-ounce Polar Camel water bottles. We're going to be printing today on our UV40R logo jet. The nice thing about these water bottles is they're nice and cylindrical, very slight taper, but not much at all, so you won't need any type of jig or anything in your printer. To line it up, these lids are going to be the same each time you put it on. There's a little bit of play with how tight you might get it, but if you want this to be your front of the bottle, be sure you're marking your center up here. We marked it here with just a slight pencil mark, and then you're going to want to know your whole width of your artwork so you can get your starting point correct when you go to put it on there. You're going to want to remove your lid when you go to put it in your printer. Again, already have your center of your artwork marked and your starting point, so that way when you set it in there you can line it up better. So we're going to set it in our printer here, and we moved our taper bar over to the right side compared to when it's over to the left, because we want our opening of the cup to be this way, and it's, like I said, it's just a very, very slight taper, not much at all. It's pretty cylindrical. So we're going to place it in our printer like with our starting point right here. We're going to line it up with our centering right here. Place it in there, line it up. Our guide bar, not too tight on it, and set it there. We have it nice and level. You want about 1 millimeter height between the print head and your cup here. So for this print job, we use the bowl adhesion promoter. You can use the logo jet adhesion promoter as well. We just find that this one works best, and we apply it with this rag. When it comes out of the printer here, you'll see we got a nice clean print. Again, it's going to be the center of if you want to do it down the side, or if you want it, because the lid's going to go on the same way. This feature here we have, this is our laserable silicone. It's a removable piece that you can laser and personalize, or you can leave it blank. It just helps with the sound and kind of grip of your water bottle. On this, you're going to want to laser. Your print might not hold onto it. Laserable Polar Camels, you can also direct print on them. They come in all 17 colors of our Polar Camel line, as well as then the stainless steel. So our 16 colors and then the stainless steel. And these are the 32 ounce. I hope you guys give them a try.